Hi and welcome. My name is Aisha Sparks from Temple Healthcare. During these instructional videos, I will be covering various software and hardware topics of the Nox PSG systems. During these videos, I'll be communicating with a Nox A1 device with my computer via the Noxturnal software. Noxturnal will allow you to set up a new recording, download, view recordings for analysis and for data sharing. During all these videos, I will have this device connected to my computer via the cable provided. To do this, simply open the A1 battery hatch with the key provided, like so. Simply take the Nox key, place here on the battery hatch, push down and pull the hatch towards the bottom of the device. Here you will find the battery compartment and also the mini USB input. Place the mini USB into the device and then the USB cable into your computer. If you would like to follow along, please open Noxturnal now, and if you do have a device available, please connect it to your computer. Now let's get started. To run the Noxturnal application, either double-click on the desktop icon or click on the application icon in the Windows taskbar or in the Start menu. To close the application, either click on the X in the top right-hand corner or in File, select Exit. When Noxturnal starts up, the Start page is displayed here. If you have a device connected, you will see that in the screen. Otherwise, if no device is connected, nothing will be displayed here. For the purposes of this video, I have a Nox A1 recorder connected via the USB cable that has been provided. The Start page allows you to navigate to the View Existing Recordings. This is your recording library. The library stores all recordings that have either been downloaded or manually added to the recording library. For more information about the recording library, please see the instructional video titled View Existing Recordings and Library Tour. The next option is to prepare a new recording. To prepare a new recording, select this option. Configuration options will appear and will guide the user through the configuration process. For more information about preparing a new recording, please see the instructional video titled Quick Start, Prepare a New Recording Using Defaults. Lastly, download and view recording. If a recording device is connected and it contains the recording, you are able to download and review the recording by clicking here. Noxturnal settings can be found in Tools and Settings. Under General, here you will find auto-save interval options, default epoch duration. You are able to set your left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to either flip a half or a full page epoch, set system units to metric or US system, apply mains line filters, and set language. User and company. Here you can add user and company information, which can be used to personalize reports and user interface. Automation. Here you can set the pathway or location to where you would like to store your recordings upon download or after the completion of an online study. Under recording types. The recording type defines what happens to the recorded data upon download. For example, do you want the data to go through an automatic analysis upon download? Do you want a report to be generated immediately upon download? Or what workspace layout would you like the data to be displayed in once it is downloaded? For more information about this, please see the instructional video titled Creating Recording Types. Custom fields. Custom fields can be created to be included during patient information setup and displayed in the recording library, for example, the ESS score or patient Medicare number. For more information, please see the instructional video titled View Existing Recordings and Library Tour. Under Analysis, you are able to set valid analysis regions, add new filter preferences, create or edit power band ranges, and select whether you would like an automatic analysis to occur when opening an online recording after acquisition. Biocalibration. Here you can create new biocalibration procedures and steps that are unique to your recording template. For example, you may have a different biocalibration step for MSLT, diagnostics, or CPAP studies. Event types and groups. Here you can create or edit event types and set shortcut keys for analysis. You're also able to group these event types into categories. Signal types and groups. Here you can create signal types and groups that are not available as a default measured signal in Noxturnal, such as a thermistor group or, for example, a radiometer transcutaneous CO2 measured in, for example, pascals. Creating a signal group will allow you to use these newly defined signals in analysis protocols or for reporting a signal. For example, we'll create a thermistor signal group, which is used for analysis of apneas, but its definition is not yet available on Noxturnal. So we can create this group, and to do this, we'll select Signal Groups. We'll add a group. Here we will name it and label it as a thermistor signal. We will then add the signal type that we are measuring. So we will be measuring this signal as a respiratory signal via flow temperature. Oops. Signal type, we have a few options. We can select all or just the ones that we know we will be measuring. So for instance, we'll do a thermistor measuring nasal and oral. Selecting OK and confirming OK. When we are saving it, do make sure that you select the OK down here in the bottom right-hand corner to confirm. So now we can use this thermistor signal to be used in apnea analysis, or we can create new report fields and report parts in the custom report for the thermistor signal. Device properties. Here we can define the network adapters, device discovery mode, auto resume, which automatically restarts any recording that was not manually stopped due to a power outage or due to a communication failure. We can also define whether we want the online clock to be synced with the computer clock. Data exchange. Here we can enable or disable data exchange between various interfaces, such as a V-link. Recording templates. The recording template are created for all standard recordings that you might perform with the Nox system. They allow for simple setup during the device setup process and also save time. For more information, please see the video titled Creating a Recording Template. Recording sensors. Here you can create a recording sensor that is not yet available as a default measured sensor in Noxturnal, such as a diaphragmatic EMG or snore piezo, for example. Device options. Here you have a few configuration options such as synchronizing time, download options, for example if you were to perform a short test or an accidental recording less than 5 minutes long, these recordings would not be stored and would not be found in your recording library. You can also define your download folder, so once your sleep study data has been downloaded, it will be identified via a timestamp and a recording ID, or a timestamp and a patient information ID or name. Report fields. Noxturnal contains already a large library of predefined report fields, but in addition to these, the editor allows creating new fields or to create them based on existing ones. For more information, please see the video titled Generating and Editing Reports. Reports. Here you can define the report name and the save location of your reports. For more information, please see the video titled Generating and Editing Reports. Advanced. Here we can edit all settings and change setting locations. This is more so for when setting up multi-user environments or server environments.
I hope you found that useful. For more information or more videos, please see our website at templehealthcare.com.au, or please don't hesitate to call us or email. The head office can be reached on 02 4858 0690.